One task in home-based care had been thought unsolvable until recently: to meet the function of both a standard hoist and of a rotating bath hoist with one aid. The main obstacles to this have been rigid built-in bathtubs that cannot be underpinned and the spatial constrictions of most bathrooms in private houses. The following film will present you an intelligent solution to this problem: the AKS FOLDO. First, the supporting structure is adjusted to the size of the tub. Since the telescopic part of the supporting beam is infinitely variable, it can be adjusted to perfect fit and is then fixed with the Allen screws. In front of the tub, an adjustable rubber cap secures the support plate against shifting position. Like the supporting structure, the rubber cap's position is fixed with Allen screws. For tubs with less than 58 centimeter height, a heights adapter is necessary, which is attached together with the supporting structure. This young woman is in need of care and shall be bathed. Her attendant first fastens the bathing sling. The sling has to be carefully positioned around the fundament and smoothed out. Next, the leg slings are smoothly placed underneath the thighs. This secures comfortable seating for the patient during the lifting procedure. Before the AKS FOLDO is steered to the patient, the chassis is splayed with the pretension pedal. Thus, even broad wheelchairs or armchairs can easily be approached. Now, the back wheels are fixed. Lowering is manually controlled. The loops of the bath sling are hooked in the security hooks of the spreader bars. This has to be done carefully to secure lifting without jolt. The patient is lifted from the wheelchair. Composed handling induces confidence. Transfer to the bathtub can now be carried out. The AKS FOLDO is steered to the bathtub. The horizontal beam has to be in line with the supporting structure. The telescopic supporting beam is adjustable. The attendant is pulling out the upper part. The retention pin is engaged. Next, the cable of the gas pressure spring is released by pressing the retention pin. The supporting beam can be rotated above the supportive structure. After coming to rest on the supporting structure or height adapter, the spring is released. The back part of the hoist, along with the horizontal beam, can be lifted a bit with the pretension pedal. The spring is pressed again, the supporting beam lowered to the supportive structure. Now, the spring is released. The supporting beam is engaged and, following the release of the pretension pedal, is pressed hard on the supportive structure. Only now the contactor of the electronic safety mechanism at the end of the supporting beam is switched on. Rotation by the rotation motor is now possible. The patient's legs are turned over the tub's side. Once this is done, the patient can be lowered into the bathtub. By lowering the horizontal beam, a central position is secured automatically. When the patient is sitting in the tub, the bath sling is unhooked. The hoist can now be put aside and bathing can start. And here again, the unique features of the hoist. The AKS FOLDO can be used universally in every room, at home or in nursing homes without any prior constructive changes. Can be used like a standard lifter thanks to its two-in-one concept. Can be used in small bathrooms with rigid built-in bathtubs that cannot be underpinned. Almost always saves the additional bathtub, wall or ceiling hoist. Thus, costs are lower and damage to walls, floors or the ceiling is avoided. Two-in-one, increased flexibility, higher benefit.